Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make AI SMR videos. If you want to make the viral AI SMR videos where the fruits are cutting with crispy voice and good graphics, in this video I'll show you how it can be possible. So you have to open a browser and then you have to search for Google Flow. Once you search for it, then you will get the results. You have to click on the first one, make sure it is by Google Labs. Once it gets open, then it will just take a while and it will get to you this website. So this is a AI based platform that is by Google itself, so you can use it for free, but there are some limitations, like you can create anything up to 100 credits per month. So you can just simply use it for free, and once you like it you can get a subscription. So once you have clicked on the option to create, after that you will be onto the page where you will get the option for the prompts. But first you have to simply check out these options, like the basic ones that we get in the initial when we go to any platform. Once you go there, click on a new project, and after that it will just take a while and you will be there. Now here we have this prompt section. Make sure text to video is selected. Now you can write it anything, whatever sort of AISMR videos you want, you can just simply write up there, and after that press the enter key, or you can also click onto that white icon and your prompt will be set, and after that it will start processing it. This may take up to 1 to 2 minutes, and once that time passed, the AISMR video will be ready. Then you can play it, and after that you can check out the results and everything. You can use it on YouTube or maybe anywhere. Wherever you would like to paste it, you can just download it and use it. To download it, there's an icon for the download on the video. You can click onto it, video will get downloaded, and later on you can use it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.